It's Tony Elite Car Security. Here we've got a Range Rover. I'm just going to show you the dual package that we've done. So we've done an S5 tracking system with immobilisation. So we offer a couple of systems. Our popular systems are either the Scorpion Track or the Meta. So we do a good couple of systems. Other systems are available as well, but there are two popular. And also we've done a PIN code immobiliser. So this is no tag, no start, no pin, no drive. And the benefits are, if the vehicle moves out the GPS column, you get immediate phone call from the tracking company to let you know that your vehicle's been moved. So if it's towed away, and you're going to get immediate phone call, or they manage to get the vehicle started, bypass the immobilisation, which will be impossible, then you're going to get immediate phone call. The second protection of having a PIN code immobiliser is if in a theft situation where they steal your keys and they manage to get your tag, then obviously the vehicle's going to start. You're not going to get no call alerts. So the PIN code immobiliser protects you from this kind of theft. So you're fully covered in all situations. So if I show you now, try and start the vehicle, no tag in range, vehicle does not start. So if I just pop the battery, okay, battery is back in the tag. I will now start the vehicle. Vehicle starts, obviously you could have the tag now in range. So now if I select gear, the engine just cuts off. So this is where the PIN code comes into it. So start the vehicle using the steering wheel buttons around the car. You make up your own combination. I will now enter the customer's code. Disarm notification, and now we can select drive and move safely. So this is a dual immobilisation system. Some people think it might be a little bit overkill, but to be honest with you, it gives you the full protection on all eventualities of theft. Gives you great coverage for your insurance company, having the S5 tracking system with immobilisation, and also gives you the peace of mind from key theft situation where the vehicle won't start without a PIN code. Hope this helps. Enjoy the video. Any questions, drop me a message. Thanks for watching.